Hey loves, Demi here. This is a tutorial on how I wash and style my naturally curly hair for definition, hydration, and volume. I wash my hair 1 to 2 times per week. Because textured hair needs its natural oils to stay healthy and hydrated and prevent damage and breakage. The following products are cruelty, paraben, sulfate, alcohol free, which is important to avoid when trying to nourish your curls. When massaging the shampoo in my scalp, I try to focus on the roots while lightly lathering. I use the conditioner away from the scalp because your scalp is more concentrated and the more oil results in weighed down curls, reduced volume, and frequent hair washes. Make sure you use a generous amount of conditioner and your hair is very saturated to lock in moisture. I leave in my conditioner for 5 minutes and during this time use a thick tooth comb in the direction you would normally style your hair to rejuvenate and define your existing curls. I use my microfiber head wrap for 5 minutes. Microfiber gives less friction, which results in less breakage and promotes length and moisture retention to prevent dry hair and will reduce your drying time. I'm going to use the Cantu Shea Butter coconut curling cream to moisturize, define, and strengthen my curls for a lasting style until I wash it again. I start at my mid-length and deposit the product in parts, side to side, then the back. Then start tousling, scrunching, and taking my fingers and shaping my curls by twirling them in their natural spiral direction. This is my holy grail curly hair product that all my curly goddesses must try. It's called Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. I heard so many good reviews on this product and it enhances my curls by giving extra definition. It is another product that I am using that is free from parabens, sulfate, and silicones. Now I'm spraying the Rusk Shining Sheen and Movement Mist sparingly, which will provide luster and increase the movement and hair softness, and most importantly, it protects the curls from heat styling since the last step is to diffuse my curls with a hair dryer. Now I'm going to diffuse my curls with the diffuse head attachment on my blow dryer. I'm placing my hair on the hair dryer from the bottom and holding it near my roots. You move in sections and dry a little and scrunch and hold the hair and then let go of the curls. Don't keep the diffuser in the same place too long. Make your rounds as I'm demonstrating. This is an optional step that I do every time I style my curls. I use 2 clips on both sides of my hair, and as my hair dries, this method increases the volume in those areas and prevents your curls from weighing down and flattening your hair. I hate when my roots get flat. In the meantime, I go and do my makeup, and then when I'm done my makeup, I take out the clips and I reveal my luscious curls. Here's a tip on when using the diffuser. Do not use the brush head to brush out your curls because that will ruin the curl pattern you've created. And for extra volume, remember when using the hairdryer to dip your head over and diffuse your hair. All products in this video will be listed below. Boom! There you go, babes. Enjoy your sexy, bouncy curls that will last throughout the week. I'm having too much fun. Okay, bye!